Hi, as you can see from the title, we are going to make the Soviet hammer and sickle decal for our tanks. First step, get a tank. First step completed. Now load up the customization. Now go to decals. It's impossible to make one unless you make custom skins. However, there is a tank which has the decal present. First step, go to tier 1. Step 2, choose the T3, then click the option customization. Boom! Now you have the most expensive decal in the game and a free tank. The T3 has 3 decals. Sadly, you can't move the decals. This game is so shit. Siri, play My Way of Life by Frank Sinatra. I hope you Ruskus enjoyed this shit.